Don't be discouraged.
Don't be discouraged.
Oh, I
Yeah! This song is brought to you by Kirin City. Ara-arawin mo na ra-ra-ra. Sobrang OA mo, be. Ang kanta na to ay para sa'yo na para bang ikay sila ulo. Ay, OA. Hindi ka OA ngayon, te. Ako ay sa'yo. You with a sad night. Don't be discouraged or realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose it of ego. A darkness inside you can make you feel so small. Huwag kayo naiyak ako. Show me your smile then. Don't be unhappy, can't you remember when I last saw you laughing? This world makes you crazy, and you've taken all you bet. Just call me up, 'cause I will always be there. I see your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors are beautiful, like a rain. See your true colors shining through. I see your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show your true colors. True colors of you. It is my first time na mag-live dito sa Instagram. As like a rain.
like a rain.
Like a rain. Tang ina! Sobrang loud. Anong gusto niyong kanta? Kantahan. Ay! Hindi, sobrang bigo.
Kantunan.
Hello. Okay, first time ko to mag-live sa TikTok ngayon. As in soccer, first time ko. Sirain na lang lahat. Siya si Self. Ano ba Self ang lumabas? Ganda ng nails. Thank you. Ganda ba? Simple lang, no? I see your true like a rainbow.
I see A.
Ang galing. Like a rainbow.
I see A. I
Oh,
see
A.
A.
Umaga sa yung race. Show me your smile. Ma, huwag naman sadyain na mag-ano, ma.
Ay.
Grabe, ma. Don't be discouraged or realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can fight off it all. The darkness inside you can make you feel so small. I see your true color shining through. I see your... Ganda mo. Thank you, be. Wag naman maybe this time. Sige, maybe this time. Favorite niya yun yung maybe this time. Kahit hindi niya ako.
That's what friends are for.
Sige, maybe this time. Di ba si Sarah na kumanta na maybe this time? You, na-shot yung may softer laugh. Wag, hindi ako nakaka-laugh. The darkness inside you can make you... Ang hirap kasi mag-may nails yung kamay eh. Ay, shit. What's this though? Wait lang. Maybe this time. Maybe this time. Pero, karaoke. Birds of the feather. Hindi ko kaya talaga yun.
Speech.
Alam niyo, first time ko mag-ano ngayon, mag-live sa dito sa ano. Naiiyak ako. Chares.
Ano tayo mag-charge?
Sige na. Mamaya, wait lang. Two old friends, they meet again.
Wearing older faces.
Ikaw lang kumanta.
And talk about places they've been.
Yes!
Fell apart.
How to get the... Someday they'll meet again and have it more than just a reminiscence. Maybe this time it'll be love and they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. She's back in his life and it feels so right. Maybe this time love won't end.
Sorry.
Wala ka pa napak. Sino? Dayan. Hi. It's the same.
Same old feeling back again. Little way back when.
Sige na. Sige na, ma. Bayaran ka naman kayo. Minum ka na. Sige na.
Somehow some things never change, and even time hasn't will play. So bayaran din kita.
Pangat to. Reggae na lang, reggae. One day.
Huwag reggae.
Ay, reggae ko talaga to.
That's what friends are for.
Huwag na lang. Hindi ka kumakanta.
Hindi kita papansin.
Hindi talaga.
Yun nga kakaktahin ko eh.
Huwag na talaga.
Sige na, yun na.
Hindi.
Promise.
Isang one word is enough for a wise man.
Hindi, nagla-live ka ng emo, tapos papasok mo reggae. Talagang may ano ka talaga.
Uy!
Sige.
One day karaoke. Pero gusto kong yung reggae.
Someday they meet again. Even more than reminiscing. Maybe this time it'll be love in the fight.
Yan, reggae to ah.
Maybe now they can go.
Madam Pasay ng Rain. Hi, Rain! Sometimes I lay under the moon and I thank God I'm breathing. Then I pray don't take me soon, cause I am here for a reason. Some guns and my teeth are drowned, but never gonna let me down. So when negativity surrounds, I know someday, bruh, it won't turn around. Because all my life I've been waiting for, bruh, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't wanna fight no more. There'll be no more wars and our children will play. One day, yeah, 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 brother, one day, yeah, yeah. It's not about we no lose, cause we are lose when we feed them the souls and our innocent blood they pay. If keep on moving them, cause water's still raging now. And it amazing to lose your way, your way. Ain't my drive no crazy, but no elevation, no way. Said no way. Sometimes in my tears I drown, you're never gonna let me down, get me down. Negativity surround. I know someday it won't all turn around, because all my life I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say, yeah, that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no more wars, and our children will play one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, one day, yeah, yeah. People the same, stop with the violence, stop with the hate. They will be free and proud to be under the same sun. Sing a song and read them like, oh yo, oh 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 oh, oh yo, oh oh oh, yeah, oh yo, oh oh, oh yo, oh oh oh. I've been waiting for, I've been praying for the people to say that we don't want to fight no more. There'll be no wars, and our children will play young one day, one day, one day, yeah, yeah. One day, one day, one day, yeah, yeah. Ooh, ah, grabe ang pag-verb. So, may nag-aado dito. If I had to live my life without you near me, the days will be empty. Tonight will seem so long. Without you, see forever, oh so clearly. I might have been in love before, but it never felt this wrong. Our dreams are young and we both know that take is what we want to go. Hold me now, touch me now. I don't wanna live without you. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. All in all, I know how much I love you. One thing I can't be sure of, and never ask for more than your love. Nothing's gonna change my love for you. Much I love you, Lord, nothing that I've been ready. Wait lang.